Morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader here from Mr. Topstep with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Hope everybody had a good weekend. We're looking at, right now we're looking at pretty much a flat market. It's trading 1365.25. We're about 10 minutes before the open. Anybody that's looked at my pivots this morning, you'll see that we've got a triple pivot zone that starts at 1360.75, which is a 9-day pivot, and that bounced really nicely just ahead of the Europe Open for about 6 handles. And we came down to make a higher low on the 5-minute chart of the E-mini at around 1362.25, and we're now bouncing up and trying to challenge the overnight highs up at 66.75. So it remains to be seen if we're going to be able to make new highs into the open. So generally, what am I looking at today? Well, we bounced off the lower Bollinger Band last week and scared a lot of the bears out of the pool in doing that. So the bulls now, the ball is squarely in their court. They have to take out 1371 and 1377 quarter. They need to make new highs. If they don't make new highs, then they're going to make a big lower high on the continuation chart of the ES, and that's going to get a lot of those bears that were scared out of the pool last week back into the pool in a big way. So the bears have the ball. They've got to run with it. They've got to make new highs. And I think if we make new highs, it's just going to yield higher highs. I think we'll be talking about 1400 in short order, because at that point the bears have had their shot. They've had multiple shots. We've also had a chance to back and fill and work off some of this extension. I mean, essentially today, the 45-day pivot today is at 1337, and we're currently trading 1365. That's less than 30 handles off the 45-day pivot, and that's neutral. That's not even overbought. So the bulls now have a lot of fuel, and they need to make this run and follow through on the bounce that they produced last week. So let's do support and resistance. Current trade 1365 half. On the upside, 1367, 1371 quarter, 1377 quarter, 1383, 1388, 1392, 1395, and 1401. On the downside, you got daily pivot 1364 quarter, 9-day pivot 1360.75, 20-day pivot sits right underneath at 1359. So 1359 and 1360, big area. Then the 3-day pivot sits underneath at 1358. So 1360 to 1358 is a big zone in there. 1353, 1350, 1347, and 1342. That should get us through today. So everybody have a fantastic day. Tomorrow's a Fed day, so let's see how it sets up into the close. This is Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader for Mr. Topstep. Trading well. I'll see everybody tomorrow morning.